आज हम थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स और फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। थर्मोडायनेमिक्स मेन है एनर्जी, साइंस ऑफ एनर्जी। और एनर्जी क्या होती है? एनर्जी होती है कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क। जैसे मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी विच हैज a capacity to do work. In our case, in thermodynamics, we consider mainly energy as heat, energy as work, and energy as internal energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. These are the main energy we consider in thermodynamics. Thermodynamics consists of two terms. दो टर्म से बनी होती है, एक हीट और एक वर्क। थर्म मतलब हीट और पावर मतलब वर्क। मीन्स दिस मीन्स दैट heat can be converted into water, work, and vice versa. मतलब water work can be converted into heat. So heat, we represent heat as a Q, capital Q, and work is, we represent work as capital W. For example, we consider a steam power plant in which four components mainly there: and condenser, pump, boiler, and turbine. And working substance is water. Water is entered into the boiler with the help of pump. पंप से पानी कहाँ गया? बॉयलर में। बॉयलर में हमने बाहर से हीट सप्लाई करी, चाहे कोल से करी हो, चाहे सोलर से करी हो, चाहे न्यूक्लियर करी हो, चाहे किसी और तरीके से हमने हीट सप्लाई करी बाहर से बॉयलर में। तो क्या हुआ? जो पानी बॉयलर में गया वो गर्म होने लगा, गर्म होके स्टीम बनने लगा। स्टीम बनने के बाद जब वो सुपरहीटेड स्टीम की फॉर्म में आ जाता है, तो वो सुपरहीटेड स्टीम हम ले जाते हैं टरबाइन में। टरबाइन में क्या होता है? ब्लेड्स होते हैं, सर्कुलर ब्लेड्स, जो शाफ्ट में लगे होते हैं। स्टीम टरबाइन में उन ब्लेडों पे ये स्टीम स्ट्राइक करती है, जिससे टरबाइन घूमती है। जब टरबाइन घूमती है तो वहां से हमें क्या मिलता है? वर्क आउटपुट, डब्ल्यू आउट। तो क्या हुआ? क्यू इन मतलब heat is converted into work. Q in मतलब heat supplied to the system, and work done is work done by the system. We experience system further in this slides. तो क्या हुआ? हमने देखा हीट को हम वर्क में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। अब दूसरा केस देखिए, ये है वेपर कंप्रेशन साइकिल जो यूज होती है रेफ्रिजरेटर में। इसके चार मेन कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं: इवोपरेटर, कंप्रेशर, कंडेंसर और एक्सपेंशन। अब क्या हुआ? हमने कंप्रेशर को चलाया बिजली से, तो कंप्रेशर में वर्क हुआ, रेसिप्रोकेटिंग वो होता है पंप। कंप्रेशर चला और उसने वर्क, हमने वर्क इनपुट दिया। रेसिप्रोकेटिंग पिस्टन होता है, उसमें हमने वर्क इनपुट दिया। और क्योंकि रेफ्रिजरेंट वर्किंग सब्सटेंस होता है, तो उसमें जो इवापोरेटर से रेफ्रिजरेंट वेपर बन के आई, वो यहाँ कंप्रेस हुई कंप्रेशर में, और वो गई कंडेंसर में। उसने हीट रिजेक्ट कर दी, उसने हीट रिजेक्ट कर दी आउटसाइड एयर। उसने हीट रिजेक्ट कहाँ करी? आउटसाइड एयर। तो इसमें क्या हुआ? वर्क इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू हीट। वर्क हमने प्रोवाइड किया किसी कंप्रेशर को, और हीट कहाँ रिजेक्ट हुई? कंडेंसर में। तो इसमें हुआ वर्क इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू हीट। और इस केस में क्या हुआ था? हीट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वर्क। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? हीट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वर्क एंड वाइस वर्सा। नेक्स्ट, thermodynamics is a branch of science which deals with energy and its transformation. Energy transforming means energy as heat, energy as work, energy, internal energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, and we can convert kinetic energy to potential energy, potential into kinetic energy, heat as work, heat and work can be converted into internal energy. So these are transformation. Feasibility of process. Feasibility of process means कि process is feasible or not, ये भी देखते हैं हम थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में। और एक इक्विलिब्रियम प्रोसेस कि सिस्टम शुड बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम. So other words, thermodynamics deals with the relationship between energy as heat, energy as work, and properties of system in equilibrium. Properties of system equilibrium. मतलब energy at heat and work is not the properties. Heat and work not the property. They depend on path. Properties of the system in equilibrium. Properties are not depend on path. They depend upon their state. किस स्टेट में है हम आगे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. तो ये तीन तरह के इक्विलिब्रियम होते हैं, मैकेनिकल, थर्मल और केमिकल. If there is a no pressure gradient, then this is mechanical equilibrium. If there is no temperature gradient, thermal equilibrium. If chemical composition is same throughout the system, this is chemical equilibrium. First, we understand heat. Heat is defined as the form of energy that is transferred between two systems or a system and its surrounding by virtue of temperature difference. That is, if the energy is interaction heat only, if it take place because of temperature difference, then it follows there cannot be any heat transfer between two systems that are the same temperature. Means heat is a form of energy which is transferred from system to system or system to surrounding when there is a temperature difference. For example, see this. This is cold drink. Room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. If its temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, then no heat transfer take place between cold drink and room air. And this is second case देखिए, this is 15 degree centigrade, 5 degree centigrade, less than room temperature. So heat is transferred from room air to this cold drink and cold drink become heated. Next, work. Work is the energy transformation associated with force acting through a distance. Work is energy transfer associated with force acting through a distance. For example, a rising piston, this one, piston is rising, rotating shaft, this one. And for example, this one, a closed system, which we discuss further, and piston is this one. The work done on the piston. Okay, work done on the system. This is system. And on the system is 10 kilojoule. So the energy increases in this system is 10 kilojoule. That is internal energy. That is internal energy. It consists of internal energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. But kinetic energy, potential energy, and are negligible. So this is all internal energy. So work is converted into internal energy. If in this case, system, this is adiabatic. Adiabatic means no heat transfer between system and surrounding. System and surrounding. Same case is there. No heat transfer from the system. In the system, we see Q input for the system. This is not adiabatic. Heat can transfer from the system to the surroundings. From surrounding, heat is transferred to the system 15 kilojoule. Work done on the system is 6 kilojoule. Heat transferred from system to surrounding is 3 kilojoule. So net energy stored in the system is 15 minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 18 kilojoule. Net is this is the algebraic sum of heat and work, or a process during which no heat transfer is called adiabatic process. Next, the mode in which system undergoes from one equilibrium state to another is called process. One equilibrium state to another is called process, such as isobaric process, मतलब pressure is constant. Isothermal process, मतलब temperature is constant. Isocorrosive volume is constant. This is this PV diagram. Pressure is constant. PV diagram. Volume is constant. Isothermic. Iso thermal. This is thermal. Temperature is constant. Adiabatic, no heat transfer, no nothing is constant. Is it clear? Or the condition of the system at any instant of time is defined by its properties called state. State means If this is the state 1, this is state 2, this is 2, this is 1. If the system is at one state, then its pressure and volume will be the same. That is the property. If the system has two pressure at this point, pressure and volume is same. This is property. Understand? So pressure, volume, these are the properties. Temperature is properties. These are the properties. But heat and work are not the properties. Now understand what is system surrounding an universe. A system is defined a quantity of matter or region in space for study. ये system है. The system is defined as a quantity of matter or region is in space chosen for study. The matter outside the system is called surrounding, and system is closed by a boundary. It is closed. This is boundary, and it separates system and surrounding. Or this boundary can be real or imaginary, can be fixed or movable, zero thickness, zero mass, and zero volume. And sum of system and boundaries, system and surrounding is universe. तो ये सिस्टम है, जैसे क्लास में बच्चे हैं, वो सब हो गए सिस्टम के पार्ट्स। कितनी लड़के हैं, कितनी लड़कियां हैं, कितनी लड़कियों की हाइट कितनी है, और क्लास से बाहर हो गया सराउंडिंग। क्लास रूम की जो दीवारें हो गई वो हो गई बाउंड्री, और क्लास से बाहर जितना भी चीज है वो सब है सराउंडिंग। अगर सिस्टम और सराउंडिंग को मिला दें तो पूरा यूनिवर्स हो जाए। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट, क्लोज सिस्टम। सिस्टम के तीन प्रकार होते हैं, एक क्लोज सिस्टम, एक ओपन सिस्टम, एक होता है आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम। क्लोज सिस्टम में देयर इज नो मास इंटरेक्शन, मतलब देयर इज नो मास इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन सिस्टम, ये सिस्टम हुआ, और इसके बाहर सराउंडिंग, इनके बीच में कोई मास क्रॉस नहीं होता, कोई भी मास क्रॉस नहीं होता। बट एनर्जी एज हीट और एनर्जी एज वर्क क्रॉस होती है, जो कि प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। मास प्रॉपर्टी है, बट एनर्जी एज हीट एंड एनर्जी एज वर्क इज नॉट द प्रॉपर्टी। So this is closed environment, no mass transfer across the system, and only energy as heat, energy as work transfer across the system. That is boundary phenomena. फिर समझ लीजिए, एनर्जी और हीट एनर्जी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, ये बाउंड्री फिनोमिना है। ये क्या है? बाउंड्री फिनोमिना और पाथ फिनोमिना। एग्जाम्पल, रेफ्रिजरेटर, प्रेशर कुकर, कार बैटरी, टी केटल एक्सेट्रा। नाउ ओपन सिस्टम, इसमें बोथ मैटर एंड एनर्जी कैन क्रॉस द बाउंड्री of the system. Both matter and energy take place between system and surrounding. And mass in, this is surrounding, this is system. Mass in, mass out. Heat cross the boundaries. Work cross the boundaries. This is open system. Mass is also take place between system and surrounding. In this case, in the system, this is real boundary and this is imaginary boundary. In this system, this is moving boundary. ये ऊपर नीचे जा सकता है पिस्टन, और ये फिक्स्ड बाउंड्री है, ये कहीं नहीं घूम सकता। समझ गया? आ गया? सब समझ आ गया? ये इमेजिनरी बाउंड्री है, ये रियल बाउंड्री है, ये फिक्स्ड बाउंड्री, ये मूव नहीं कर सकती, ये मूविंग बाउंड्री है। थर्ड सिस्टम होता है आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम, जिसमें ना तो एनर्जी एज हीट एंड वर्क ट्रांसफर बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग, और ना मास, कोई भी चीज का इंटरेक्शन नहीं होता बिटवीन सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग। दैट इज आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम। Thermoflask, universe, this is rigid boundary, no heat interaction between system boundary, no work interaction between system and boundary, no mass interaction, energy constant, matter constant. Now, now we discuss our first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics, known as law of conservation of energy principle, that energy cannot be created or destroyed during a process. It can change only forms. Energy क्या? Ability to do work. So suppose this is a hill and there is a mass m placed here. Its potential energy is 10 kilojoule and kinetic energy is 0. जब आप पत्थर छोड़ देंगे तो कुछ डिस्टेंस पे काइनेटिक एनर्जी हो जाएगी 3 किलो जूल, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आएगी 7 किलो जूल। मतलब टोटल एनर्जी रिमेन्स सेम, 7 + 3 10, बस एनर्जी इज चेंज, पार्शियल एनर्जी चेंज फ्रॉम potential energy to kinetic energy. Is it clear? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can change only forms. Is it clear? Now, energy balance for a closed system. This is a closed system. This is system boundary. This is surrounding. This is Q in. This is Q out. This is W in. This is W out. But the work done by the system is positive. Work done on the system is negative. Heat supplied to the system is positive. Heat rejected by the system is negative. This is internal energy. Kinetic energy, due to velocity. Potential energy, this is position of the system. Internal energy is the defined as sum of all the microscopic form of energy. Microscopic form of energy means there is vibrational energy, rotational energy, and vibrational energy, rotational energy, and transitional energy. So, internal energy is defined as the sum of all microscopic form of energy of system. It is related to the molecular structure and the degree of molecular activity. And can be viewed as the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy of molecules. Is it clear? Suppose that is a pressure cooker. Or you consider battery. When you supply electrical energy to the battery, then its internal energy increases. Its internal energy increases. But when the battery supply heat to the system, then its energy, internal energy decreases. तो जो बैटरी स्टोरेज कम हुई तो इंटरनल एनर्जी कम हुई, बैटरी स्टोरेज ज्यादा हुई तो इंटरनल एनर्जी ज्यादा हुई. So there is a change, there is a, it is related to the molecular structure and the degree of molecular activity. Understand? Now, this is the figure for which we consider the net change, increase or decrease in total energy of the system. Increase or decrease means internal energy, kinetic energy, or potential energy. The net increase in the total energy of the system during the process is equal to the difference between total energy entering the and total energy leaving during a process. Total energy, तो यहाँ पे Q in हुआ, एनर्जी इंक्रीज हुई. Q out हुआ, एनर्जी डिक्रीज हुई. W in हुआ, एनर्जी इंक्रीज हुई. W out हुआ, एनर्जी डिक्रीज हुई. तो टोटल एनर्जी सिस्टम माइनस टोटल एनर्जी लिविंग द सिस्टम, चेंज इन टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ सिस्टम. तो E in, E out, डेल्टा E सिस्टम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द सिस्टम. तो Q in माइनस Q out, W in minus W out, delta E system E2 minus E1. It is consist of internal energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. But in closed system, change in kinetic energy and potential energy is negligible. In differential form, we can write delta Q minus delta W because Q in minus Q out to delta Q. But W out minus W in is minus W. W in minus W out is minus delta W. Is it clear? Q in minus Q out positive, but W in minus W out not positive. So W out minus W in is minus W. So this is du. In adiabatic form, Q is equal to 0, then minus dW is equal to du. No work interaction, then del Q, energy supplied to internal energy. This is work done on the system, increase in internal energy. For energy balance, initial and final state. For a cycle, this is a cycle, properties are same at a point, चाहे यहाँ हो, चाहे यहाँ हो, चाहे यहाँ हो, चाहे यहाँ हो. तो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? du. फॉर द क्लोज सिस्टम, अगर यहाँ से शुरू हुआ तो यहाँ पे जो चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी सेम, तो डेल्टा यू इज जीरो. तो डेल्टा ई सिस्टम इक्वल टू जीरो इक्वल टू E2 माइनस E1, ई इन माइनस E2. ई इन बराबर ई आउट, क्यू नेट, दिस इज क्यू नेट इक्वल टू W net out. Q net is equal to W net out. This is 0. This is Q net. And when this delta W comes inside, then W net out. And during the cycle, this is the formula. For cyclic process, we use this circle. Then we can say, first law of thermodynamics, whenever a closed system undergoes a cyclic change, however complex the cycle may be, thus algebraic sum of energy transfer as work is equal to the algebraic sum of energy transfer as heat. It is applicable for reversible and irreversible process. Heat and work are not the property of the system. Both depends on boundary and path. तो जब एक क्लोज सिस्टम होगा तो जितना एनर्जी ट्रांसफर होगा बिटवीन सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग उनका एल्जेब्रिक सम किसके बराबर होगा? वर्क ट्रांसफर के बराबर। और जो प्रॉपर्टीज हो जाएंगी साइक्लिक प्रोसेस में वो जीरो हो जाएंगी because delta Q minus delta W is delta U and delta U is zero in a cyclic process. That is why delta Q in a cyclic process is equal to delta W. Is it clear?